Alright, this is the Hobbyist Artist. Welcome to my channel. So I just recently buy a coloring material at National Bookstore. So this is one of the artist's favorite coloring material. So this is Prismacolor. Just bought it for the price of 500 peso at National Bookstore. So let's open it and let's see what's how it looks like. Oops, mahirap buksan. So sayang yung design, so iwasan natin ma-damage. Right. So dahan lang. Right. Huwag ng sugatan dahil nasugatan na ako ng combat knife. Okay. So ito yung mga madalas kong makita sa Guhit Pinas group. So favorite nila itong gamitin. So meron na siyang kasamang pansabit. So kung gusto mo siyang isabit, kung may sabitan kayo, dito nakadikit nga lang. Ayan, hindi ko matanggal na maayos. Anyway, ayan na lang to. Ay, sorry kung maingay yung aso ng kapitbahay namin. So let's take a look. First, and so here are the 12 available colors inside the box. So maganda to kasi meron na siyang metallic casing. So kaysa sa mga ibang brand na nakabox na madaling mayupi or minsan nababali pa yung mga colored pencil sa loob, like dito secured and hindi basta-basta mababali mga pencil mo sa loob. So here it is. We have the white, yellow, orange, we have the classic red, violet, the violet blue. This one is true blue. Okay, we have apple green. So I think pwede yata to sa aking ginagawang manga series. So medyo malapit-lapit na sa multicam pattern. We have the, what's this? The grass green, the brown, the sienna brown. Oh, perfect for a dark skin tone. So they say we have the black. Maganda daw ito kumulay lalo na sa papel. Okay, very vivid. So let's try this. Let's try this in one of my sa isang ginagawang manga series titled Heroes of Leaf Valley.